and get some pop-tastic effects into your artwork using chalk pastels.
Oh, how was your holiday? Oh, yeah, blah, 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 blah.
Here's a really cool way to create a very modern contemporary image using chalk pastels. Take a piece of paper, any colour you like. I like to use bright, bold colours for this. And you need 3 different coloured chalk pastels. Then pick one colour and draw a simple image. Now you can draw anything you like, but make it quite modern and keep it simple. You could do sports action figures, dancers, band members. I'm going to do 2 dudes hanging out. So just start to sketch in the shape of the face. Maybe this colour up like that. It doesn't matter if you make a mistake, you don't have to rub it out or anything. You'll see why in a minute. And I'll just do his girlfriend there as well. Just sketch her in. Of course, dudes have wheels. So I'm going to do a car in here. I'm going to do a city in the background. Now, you don't need to do too much detail for this. I think I'll do a train up there as well. Just passing over. A lamppost here, I think. Oh, made a mistake there. Doesn't matter. Just leave it, don't worry about it. And there they are. 2 dudes hanging out. Now the cool bit. Take a different coloured chalk and loosely go over the picture again. Now don't follow your lines exactly, just trace over them loosely like that. And do the whole picture, loosely tracing those lines. Doesn't have to be neat or perfect. And again, if you make a mistake, it doesn't matter. You start to get a sort of wobbly, crazy out of focus effect. Try and go over all of the lines. Try not to miss any out. Doesn't matter if you do, but try to get everyone. And there it is. Then when you've done it, time to get really crazy. Take a 3rd colour chalk and do the whole thing a 3rd time, only this time make it even looser. And look at this. This loose effect starts to really put movement into your picture. Keep it a lot looser. Try not to follow the first 2 lines too closely. And again, doesn't matter if you make a mistake. Don't need to be perfect. And you can see I'm holding the chalk at the end here, so I don't smudge the other lines. And just keep going with that 3rd line. When you've finished, there you have a really vibrant, trembly effect. It's sort of your own style of pop art, and you could try it on different coloured paper. It even works with wax crayon on light coloured paper. Or how about felt tips on ordinary white paper? Try it yourself. Loosely go over a picture a few times in different colours and create your own pop-tastic pastel picture.